Okay, I think I'm onto something. Okay, so jumping back a few steps, this is a kinematic coupling, and I now have a little feature to join them together. So the way this works is, in order to actually mate these surfaces perfectly against each other, I need to be applying a force that's pushing them together. To do that, I've opted to do a derivative of what E3D is doing, which is I have a little mechanism in here. It's kind of like a hook or a key, and in this case, it's going into a wedged printed feature. Now I have absolutely no idea if this is going to hold up to, let's say, 1,000 tool changes, but luckily it doesn't have to because it's a consumable. That's actually a separate part, so I can just print a dozen of these, and maybe every 5 or 10 prints, if I'm changing the tool a lot, I can just take that piece off and replace it with another one, and recycle it or something. So yeah, this looks pretty good. This piece is almost certainly going to get machined at some point out of a aluminum dowel pen. Right now I was just rushing. Same thing, this is going to be a real bearing or a real bushing at some point. Again, I was just excited to try this out. Okay, so here we go. That's mates in. I give it a twist, and yeah, that feels really good. Yeah, cool, cool. Well, there you have it. I'm really excited. We'll see what happens with this. All right, cheers.